Good morning, YouTube. Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and I know this is probably getting old, but what I do, and it really seems to help big time as far as efficiency, time efficiency, and all that, is that I take our product that we use, and we have these granules from the Master Blend soap-free solution, and then I also combine it with the detonator by Backaway, which is basically a peroxide. So you're getting sodium carbonate and peroxide, and it really seems to be an extremely good combo in most situations. There are times where you have to change it up a little bit and use, like a product that's more geared towards, trashed out polyester and that sort of stuff. Using more citrus and enzyme cleaning. But anyways, this here is like a real good all-purpose. And what I do is I go through, I'm kind of using this as a staple cleaner. So every morning, depending on how many jobs I have in the day, I'll fill up a couple jugs, get them ready to go. So this has product in it and it's ready to go. And then I have these Gatorade bottles, and I have them at a concentration for those jugs. Those jugs are 2 gallons, so I just fill those bottles up with water and I dump in one of those Gatorade containers, and boom, it's pre-measured and ready to go. So I'm not having to measure out anything out on the truck and get it prepared. It's already ready to go. Plus, this method here is precisely measured, so I'm stretching our product out as far as it can go. So it's the most cost-effective way. I know a lot of guys do the glug and chug method. You can do that, but I guarantee that most people are not very accurate at how much they're actually dumping into something. So I encourage you to, measure stuff out if that's what you do. I know a lot of guys just fill up a hydroforce at the beginning of the day or whatever it is that you do. I do it this way because I use the multi-sprayer, or I can take these jugs and just dump them into a 175 solution tank. And it is ready to go at that point. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be talking to you again shortly.